Did you know there is a fruit that looks like a dragon egg, tastes like banana mixed with cucumber, and sells for premium prices in gourmet markets? Today we are revealing how to grow this spiky wonder fruit Kiwano. Kiwano, also called horned melon, is a tropical fruit with bright orange skin and a jelly-like green pulp inside. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamins and is considered a high-value exotic fruit. Kiwano grows best in warm weather with full sunlight and well-drained sandy or loamy soil. Since it's a climbing vine, you must set up trellises or supports for better yield. Sow the seeds directly or start them in trays before transplanting. Keep 1.5 meters spacing between plants. Water regularly but avoid waterlogging. Start with a nitrogen-rich fertilizer and switch to a balanced fertilizer during flowering. Light pruning helps improve fruit size. Watch out for aphids or whiteflies. Use neem oil and maintain proper spacing to prevent fungal diseases. Harvest when the fruit turns to bright orange around 3 to 4 months after planting. Each vine produces multiple fruits, and since Kiwano sells at high prices, it becomes a profitable crop for farmers. And that's your quick guide to Kiwano farming. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Discover Agriculture.